let's get the latest right now from meteorologist Melissa Fry.
We have yet to see any drops of rainfall, at least enough to measure out of the Eugene airport. So as of this morning, it still has been dry, not only for the start to August, but all of July back into late June. We're talking about 42 days now since we've seen rain officially in Eugene, but widespread rain showers are occurring, and there's a good chance that we'll see some of that even accumulating out at the airport this morning. Take a look at Stormtracker 9 Live Radar. Pretty active this morning. We have a batch of rain showers between Eugene and Salem headed over the Coast Range and into the coast. A few locations right here on the west slopes of the Cascades this morning have reported a couple 100 inch there. I know my street was wet this morning in Eugene, and as you head out to the coast, a little bit of light rain even out to the beach. So what's happening is that rain does evaporate a ton before it ever gets to the surface. So most of it is gone before it gets here, and that's why we're not seeing as much as what it looks like on the radar this morning. But again, we continue to see that potential for some light rain this morning. Now, we're still seeing red flag warnings in effect. In fact, very critical fire danger in all of the areas that you see in red this morning. And that's because these storms are producing frequent lightning strikes, even despite the rainfall that can still start a wildfire. Now, it's a lot of rainfall that we're talking about potentially over into central Oregon, starting this afternoon at 11 a.m. all the way through Sunday at 11 p.m. These thunder showers have the potential to produce some very heavy rainfall all at once. And so flash flood watches are in effect again for that period. It's the green areas on the map this morning, including Deschutes County. There on the east slopes of the Cascades. What happens is rain comes down all at once, runs into that dry ground, especially areas that have had wildfires recently, and it just has nowhere to go. So you get flooding very quickly. If you're planning on doing any hiking or camping in this area this weekend, something that you definitely need to watch out for. If you see a thunder shower developing over your area, it's time to seek shelter. Now, these storms are continuing to fire up over the Cascades, and then they move to the west here, the opposite of what we typically see in western Oregon. And it's because of that area of low pressure that's down in northern California. It hasn't moved much over the past 24 hours, but it's beginning to slowly move to the north. And that's why those thunder showers are going to get stronger as we head into this afternoon and as we head into this weekend. So the path of this is going to be right up into southern Oregon and then right across the Coast Range up to the mouth of the Columbia. It'll get there by late Sunday night. So again, thunder showers continuing all the way through the weekend. I expect them to be the strongest here later on today. Again, they will continue through Sunday, though. They'll be the strongest in the mountains and in central Oregon. And then we'll see that potential for them to move west overnight into the valley. Again, starting tonight, continuing through Sunday night. You can see this hour by hour on Precision Cast. We have break in the clouds this afternoon. Another round fires up this afternoon. Those start to move down west into the valley late tonight, overnight into Saturday morning. Starting out cloudy with a little bit of light rain, just like today. We'll see another break in the clouds Saturday afternoon, and then that pattern repeats Saturday night with another round that continues all the way through the weekend. So for those of you along the coast, your high temperatures are going to continue to keep parked right there in the low to mid 60s. We're not going to see much fluctuation there. Isolated rain showers are potentially going to occur all the way through Sunday. Umpqua Basin, mid 80s. Chance for thunder showers late tonight. Again, Saturday afternoon. By Sunday, you should be in the clear. The Cascades, mid to upper 60s for you. Again, more scattered thunder showers this afternoon. Same story for Central Oregon. Yours will be later into the evening, continuing Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as well. And for the valley, our highs will be in the low to mid 80s. Thunder showers again potentially late tonight with some rainfall. And then we'll see that again Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon. Then we start the next work week in the clear.